You've heard async await many times for sure, but what is it exactly and why we use it? By the end of this video, you'll never be confused about it again. Before async await was introduced in 2017, we used callbacks. This method would pass a function to the async function. The problem was when multiple async tasks needed to be done one after another, the code would become very messy and hard to read. This was called callback hell. After ES6 in 2015, promises made things better. Promises let us write code in chains instead of nesting, so it got much cleaner. But when the chain got really long, it was still hard to read. Async await came to make asynchronous code read like synchronous code, especially when we need to wait for things like getting data from the internet. With this, we definitely got rid of callback hell. Even for error handling, we can easily handle it with try-catch. Now it's time to put it into practice in a real project. So here's a simple app. The idea is to get a random dog picture from the internet, then show a message. But if we don't use async await, the message shows up first and the picture comes later. With async await, you can see the order works the right way. Let's back to code. When a function needs to wait for something slow, like fetch or a timer, we mark it async, as we did here. That just means this function can pause and it returns a promise. Then await says stop here until that promise finishes. Then continue. Use await when the next line depends on the result. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.